Let's solve the next question, which says prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equals to minus half. To solve this question, first we need to know this table. You need to remember the trigonometric values. Now let's learn the trigonometric values before solving this question, because without knowing trigonometric values you cannot solve this question. Now let's remember 0 degree, 60 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And you must know that 0 degree, 30 degree is called as pi by 6, 45 degree is called as pi by 4, 60 degree is called as pi by 3, and this is pi by 2. You must remember these values in order to solve this question. Now to remember the sign values from 0 to 1, we will start from 0 to 1. Now add 2 in denominator, 1, 2, 3. Now what we have to do is, this half we will leave it as it is. From second add 2 roots, because even if you add 1, okay, just leave it. Now for the cos values, it is from 1 to 0. We will just flip the sign values to the cos. Here same, you have to put 2 in the denominator and put 3 to 1. Root 3 and root 2, half remains as it is. For the tan, we have to divide sin by cos. Sin by cos is tan, so we will divide the values. 0 by 1 is 0, and dividing these two values we get 1 by root 3. We'll get 1, and here root 3. This is not defined. You must remember these values in order to solve this question. Now let's start solving this question. Assume this is equation 1. Now we know the values. Sin pi by 6 is half, cos pi by 3 is also half, and tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. As we know the values, we have substituted here, and we are not solving the question for sine, but we are solving the question for sin square. You just need to square this value. So by squaring all the values, let's substitute these values in equation 1. Sin square pi by 6 is 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 square. Now solving these, we will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Is equals to minus half. Oh, sorry. Now solving this, we know that this is a circle. this is an entire circle. If we divide this circle into half, this is half circle and this is half circle. If we take this half circle and divide this into half, we will get 1/4 and 1/4. So adding 2 1/4 gives us value as half minus 1. Now half minus 1 is half, but as we are subtracting smaller value with a larger value, so we will get a minus half. Now in the question we have the RHS as minus half, so hence sin² pi/6 plus cos² pi/3 plus tan² pi/4 is equals to minus half. Hence proved.